In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Melio with QuickBooks. By the end, you'll have Melio connected to your QuickBooks Online account so you can sync vendors and bills and pay them seamlessly. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the correct QuickBooks company and that you have admin access since connecting apps requires permission. Begin inside QuickBooks Online. From the Home or Get Things Done page, confirm you're in the right company file and everything looks up to date. It's a good idea to have your vendors and open bills in order first, because whatever you've already entered in QuickBooks can be synced to Melio during setup, saving time and preventing duplicates. Next, open the Integrations area. In many layouts, you'll see an Integrations or Apps icon on the left navigation, sometimes represented by a puzzle piece. If you're on the Get Things Done page, there's also an Integrations tile you can click. If you don't see it, double-check your user role. Only users with sufficient permissions can add or manage apps. Once you're in the Integrations or Apps section, click Find Integrations. This opens the App Center where you can browse and connect approved apps that work with your QuickBooks subscription. You'll see a search bar at the top and categories below. We'll use search to get to Melio quickly. Type Melio in the search bar and open the Melio listing. Review the overview to confirm it supports your edition of QuickBooks Online and meets your needs. When you're ready, select Connect or Install. QuickBooks will prompt you to authorize the connection, approve the requested permissions so the two systems can sync vendors, bills, and payments. If you already have a Melio account, sign in when prompted, otherwise follow the on-screen steps to create one as part of the connection. During setup, choose the company file you want to link, select what to sync, typically vendors and open bills, and set defaults like your payment account and approval preferences. The initial sync can take a few minutes depending on how much data you have. When it finishes, you can pay eligible bills directly through Melio, and those payments will flow back into QuickBooks, keeping your books aligned. That's it. You've connected Melio with QuickBooks and set your sync preferences. For best results, keep your vendor list tidy, avoid creating duplicate suppliers, and let QuickBooks remain your source of truth for bill entry. If you ever need to adjust permissions or disconnect, return to the Apps section in QuickBooks and manage the Melio connection there.